Hello, everybody. It was a heck of a time trying to get myself live on here. I didn't know what I was doing. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm going to do a giveaway tonight, and I hope that some of you will follow along with me. I'm not going to stop and wait for people to join because it's annoying when people do that. You can always watch it on the replay if you don't catch it live. But what I'm going to do is, first of all, show you my new creativity class. What it is I have a new creativity shop, and it's on my blog. You can go to papercraftsandplanners.com, and at the top of the page, there'll be, the little menu up there, and you just click on Creativity Shop. And I'm calling these creativity classes because basically that's what it is. You receive a box full of supplies, and then you receive an email from me with video instructions on putting together each of the projects. And so I thought today that I'm going to do a giveaway of the Hello Fall box, which is the one I have up right now on my shop. And by Monday, I will have my Nothing But Treats Halloween theme box up. So I'll give you a sneak peek of that one too. But I'm going to flip you around here so that I can show you all the things in the box, and I can do maybe a little demo of my tags that are going in the box. And for some reason, I did not get the kitten out of here. Something had to go wrong, right? Plus, you're seeing the organized chaos of my craft room behind me. And really, this is about as good as it gets, I'm afraid to say. Okay, so I'm going to put a piece of paper over my camera so I can flip you around without making anybody nauseous. So here we go. Flip you around so you're looking at it right way up. And I'm going to tip you back just a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, let me show you all the things that are in the creativity box, the Hello Fall creativity box. And okay, so first of all, you get to make this cute little, it's kind of a box bag. It is a bag, but it looks like a box. And so it's just so cute. So stinking cute, right? It has a little ribbon tag at the top. It has a little squirrel on it, a thank you, thankful for you, some bows, and you'll receive all the products to make this, okay? That's number one. There'll be 4 tags that you can make, and they're blank on the back. There will be 4 cards. Here's the first one. Really cute. Has a little inside decoration too. Here is the second one. And here is the third one. And you'll see they all have the same theme because they all use the same stamp set. And the stamp set is included in your box. And let me grab mine here so you can see it. Looks like this. It's easier to see on the back, I think. It has several sentiments, and it has all these beautiful florals and this ribbon right here, this little bow. Really think this is cute. Okay. You will also, oh, this is the last thing we make in there. It is a little teacup on a little doily, which I think looks really cute, and decorate it all up. And then at the top is open, so you can put some little treats, set this on your desk, give it to a friend as a gift, maybe cellophane wrap some little things that go in there, and maybe, tie one of these tags on, put her name on it, to and from, and do that. So that's really cute too. So this is the Hello Fall kit. You'd make the little cup, the bag, 4 tags, and 4 cards. And let me show you here. Right now what we're going to do is I'm just going to demo a little tag and show you kind of what comes in here. So in the tag kit, it has all the pre-die cut tags. I really think the cat adds, right? Hi, Angela, Selena, Audrey, thanks for joining in. And so they are pre-cut in white, and there are also some pre-cuts. You receive all sorts of different ones, but I'm just going to show you these 2. So in a double-sided paper, and also some solid colors. Then you're going to receive this little ink cube, little black ink cube, and this little adhesive, little mini, it's a glaze also, so you can glaze things on top or use it as an adhesive. So I'm just going to put these together really quickly. I'm just going to pick a side. I think that's cute. Just add the glaze on here, or the adhesive. And because these are die cut and I didn't cut them by hand, which nobody wants to see how crooked I get things by hand, right? They are going to fit together perfectly. just like that. So you have a little wiggle room with this liquid adhesive to kind of move it around until you get it exactly how you want it. And I did a white one and a printed one or a solid color one because I want you to be able to write to and from on the back, okay? Now let's choose what we want to do here. That one's pretty. And that's pretty too, but I think that's too much print back to back, though that would be cute. Okay, so let's do that. And then maybe this circle in the middle on this one. And you can see that will look totally different than these other two that I've already done. So let's do that. First, before I put this circle down, though, I'm going to stamp something on it from our stamp set. Okay. Oh, I just glued the wrong side. Never mind. We'll just do it on here. I don't want to do that print on there. I'm a little nervous doing a Facebook Live. Can you tell? It's a little nerve-wracking. So that one could go like that. That's cute. So this one, let's go like that. No, we'll do this. We'll do like we were planning. And let's put adhesive on the right side this time. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to grab one of the stamps. I don't know which one I'll use. One of the sentiments. Let's see here. Let's just use it. I'm going to have to open up this one because, of course, I set mine aside and do not know where I put it for this video. But I am going to just pick, let's see. I think I'm going to do You Make My Heart Smile because that seems cute to go on a gift. Place it. These are really nice etched red rubber stamps, so they turn out really nicely. Okay, we're going to take our little black ink and ink it up. The only thing you will need to supply for yourself is a stamp block of some kind. This is a Fun Stamper's Journey one. I like it because it has the grid and it has the nice thick side so you can put your fingers in the grooves. There we go. And we're going to stamp it. Let's see, right on this one, I think. And it just fits on this size circle. There we go. And then we're going to adhere this all together. And this is the easiest out of the class, and so I thought that's why we do this one together. But really, the whole point of the class is you use your imagination. I don't want you to do it exactly like I do. You've got all sorts of supplies, so you just do it the way you want to do it. Okay, do we want to add this little one here? I think we do. And you'll have some of these sticky backed, these little adhesive blings there. And maybe we'll put one up here in this other color, this haystack color. Really pretty. Okay, you see how that just came together so quickly? So these will all be die cut. And some of the circles will have this little stitching around them, which I really like. So you receive a lot of different colors, all coordinating with this theme, of course, that you can put together yourself and decide exactly how it wants to go. You'll also receive the twine here that goes with it. And all you do is loop that through the hole, of course, and then tie it to whatever package or attach it to the top of a gift or a bag or whatever you want to do. Okay, we've got that one. I don't know that we need to put, I'm thinking I might put a sunflower on this one, just to be a little different. Let's see, sunflower or daisy? How about the daisy? No, sunflower. Let's get him out of here. And really pretty, this sunflowers. I'm going to put it down here so I'm not stamping anything else on the tag. I'm going to ink him up. And I know sunflowers aren't normally orange, but that's okay. Ours will be. And what I'm going to do, instead of stamping the black directly on there, I'm going to take this scrap piece of paper that's underneath Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty is a cat that my son brought home from the pound, and for himself, right? But it's become my cat. Follows me everywhere, does everything. So I'm just going to stamp off once on this piece, and then stamp it on here so I get a lighter look. And that way I can stamp something on top of that if I want to. I could stamp this "You Make Me Smile" on here, or let me show you another option for this. Clean this off a little bit. Get as much of it off as I can because I don't have my cleaner ready. Because I'm planning on cleaning stamps on this video. Okay, so we're going to take some little Post-it notes and we're going to cover up everything but where it says smile. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to ink it up and make sure you get everything that's not covered inked up really well. Okay. Then be sure and take these off because otherwise you've got ink on them and that will not turn out well. And then take it on here and just do the smile across it. And it will turn out, you see how it's darker and you've got that little light flower in the background. I think that's really cute to do that. And we'll put a little bit of liquid adhesive on this guy.